You might think I'm crazy, the way I've been craving. If I put it back quickly, just give me them babies. So what you doing tonight? Better say doing you right. Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but something can you keep it up? Cause I have to keep you up, so maybe I'ma keep you up. Boy, I'm drinking coffee, and I'm eating healthy. You know I keep it squeaky, yeah. Saving all my energy. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me to the daylight. 34, 35. Boy next door. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me to the daylight. 34, 35. You drink it just like water. You say it tastes like semen. So what you doing tonight? Better say fisting my ass. Watching movies, but we ain't seen a thing tonight. I don't wanna keep you up, but sorry, can you keep it up? Cause I have to keep you up, so maybe I'ma keep you up. Boy next door, I'm drinking coffee, and I'm eating healthy. You know I'm a performance artist, yeah, saving all my energy. Can you stay up all night? Fuck me to the daylight. 34, 35. Guys on the Ram Ranch, sucking and fucking hard dick. On the Ram Ranch, so many lubed up cowboys, oiled up, sucking fucking ass. So many hard cocks. I don't know how this part goes. Yeah. I got the neighbors yelling earthquake 4.5 when we make the bed shake. Woo! I turned into RTD till I got so scandalized. This song is too scandalous, what the fuck? This song is too scandalous! This song is too scandalous! I like... do it sucking and fucking, even for me! Can you stay up all night? Put me to the daylight! Ah! Can you stay up all night? Fuck me till the daylight. Yeah, 34. Skirt. I promised I'd be good. Yeah, it says right up there that I would be good to Mr. Twitch. Oh no, I broke my promise.